Oh, here's another video of water coming in. Look at that. Water coming in. The Amish has done the roof too. How is that possible? There's so much water coming in every different directions. The whole back spot is back there is all soaking wet too. Well, another bad day at the shop. Can't even get this daggum shop up and running. And this is all flooded back here too. I mean, it is flooded again. Well, sorry y'all for, not getting the shop up and running like I was hoping. But hopefully, get some of this certain problem fixed and maybe we can get it up and running. And there's water everywhere. There's water back here too. And it's dripping down that like crazy too. Man, it's just dripping down. Let's hold back down. Well, at least it's not really flooded there though, but it's still dripping water, Well, I gotta get up here. I got a phone call coming in. I'll